Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kriti and this is Samiksha.
So today we are discussing about the Instagram favorite movie of January, book adaptation of People We Met on a Vacation by Emily Henry, and we have a lot of views about the movie and some might not like it. So go ahead and watch.
What kind of love story did you think this was going to be before you started watching the movie?
I felt it was friends to lovers only, but it felt very superficial. Like the storyline was not so deep, and it doesn't take you 7-10 years to understand that. Oh my God, he's not just my friend; he is something more. And honestly, when I read the book, I didn't read it completely because I couldn't get past few chapters, and also I didn't like the story, like for real. Okay, so the next question for you is, did you feel the chemistry between, what did you feel about the chemistry between Poppy and Alex?
Actually, no. The book one, I actually felt that they were so conceited in themselves. They have been literally going out for years and vacationing together, and yet they don't say a word to each other. It's like frustrating. And I thought like maybe movie might, make it a little better. But over here also the same scripture. And then the reason why Alex asks her that in the movie, like, do you love me? And then she goes, because I do. What kind of a reason is that?
It is so right. Even for me, it was more like, I know you hate when I say this. So guys, we actually had this conversation on chat because I wanted to rant, and it was like Poppy and Alex chemistry is okay. Only the few parts, the dancing part and one two scenes here and there were actually the places where
डांसिंग
Poppy.
बट का अपना मूवी बनना चाहिए. Okay, Samiksha. So, did their friends to lovers transition feel natural or rushed?
I think that was natural, like from the first scene, the tent scene, and it felt okay. There might be some spark going on there, but it felt too slow. Like slow burn, I understand, but this was way too stretched. So the transition didn't felt natural but too slow, I think.
For me, honestly, I felt like they had more chemistry when they were friends vacationing, and as soon as they started dating, it just went to shit. Like everybody has their own notions that no, she's not with me, she wants other things, and अपने में ही assume कर रहे हो दोनों, एक दूसरे से बात नहीं कर रहे. पूरी
I
movie.
felt that scene. Uh, what is that scene? The friends scene where the friends ka reunion scene where Ross and Rachel say that we had a spark going but no one did anything.
हाँ तेरा
So
हर
I
चीज घूम
felt
फिर के
that
फ्रेंड्स पे
was
आ
very
जाता है.
equivalent to this. Okay. So do you think their annual trips helped them grow or made them emotionally stuck?
I think there's this concept of keeping somebody on the shelf. So I think this movie should be the poster of that because they were like in relationships with other people, but also they have this person on the shelf they go on yearly vacations with. So I think I just found it a little weird. Like not even 1 year did they take their respective partners on this trip. Like why was it only both of them going every year?
Exactly. And I think it's called benching, Gen Z term. I think so. If you're keeping someone on the bench. Okay, for me, okay, this is going to be a rant. First of all, when two people are there, लड़का लड़की दोस्त हो सकते हैं. If that was their motto, then why by the end of, spoiler alert, when he got engaged with his longtime girlfriend, why did he say that let's stop? Why was then the commitment ki no, we two people can't go? And I think they just didn't get stuck, they also bored us with it. So I don't think that annual trips were good. Only the trip where he danced, and I will keep saying it, only the dance was good to keep me. continue watching the movie.
So, Samiksha, did you think that this movie made you more emotionally invested, or you just casually watching it?
I was casually watching it, obviously, but I think I attended this one session where the critic said there are some movies that exist only on Instagram because the clippings of 5 seconds, 10 seconds feel very interesting, but the whole movie is. So I felt that I would be emotionally invested, but 0%. I was not, like, I was just forwarding it sometimes. So no, not for me.
Okay, so for me, I was actually waiting, at the end of the last 40 minutes of a rom-com usually is very emotionally investing. Like you're always thinking that, oh my god, you're scared. But that kind of feeling did not come with this movie. I was more like, end it.
Okay. Okay. So Kriti ji, who would you go on a trip with, Alex or Poppy, and why? And yes, you have to choose one.
Do I have to? Okay, fine. I don't think I would be able to handle Poppy's craziness, so I would pick Alex because I think he's more introverted like me.
He
I
is
don't
just
think I
hot.
can
That's
handle
why.
Poppy.
Because he is hot. That's why. Na sachi bolo.
Yeah, of course he's hot.
Okay.
Shut up. Okay, your
Okay.
answer.
Yes. Okay. So for me, I think I will go with Poppy. Do not judge me, but I am selecting Poppy because I would love to go on an all expense paid trip where I can click lot of pictures, create
We
reels, be very Insta content ready. So I think I'll go with Poppy. But while traveling now, I'll find a guy like Alex. So you know.
and then